So what is good guys, Adnan here, and so is the official Android 10 update for both the OnePlus 5 and the 5T. A few hours of usage later, here is everything I have to say about it. Firstly, the installation process is dead simple. You need your OnePlus 5 or 5T and an internet connection, that's all. Although I recommend taking a backup of your device just in case, I have personally never encountered any errors while following this procedure. Visit the link in the description below and download the update package onto your device. Next, launch the file manager and move the zip file from the downloads folder to the root of your internal storage. Make sure it is not placed inside any of the other folders. Head back, launch settings, navigate to system updates, and tap on the tiny cog icon at the top right. Press on local upgrade and select the update file you've just downloaded. Take a deep breath and let it do its thing. The entire process should take no more than 5 minutes and your phone should boot with the shiny new OnePlus logo right into Android 10. The very first thing you notice are the square icons in the quick toggles menu, indicating that you have a whole new customization area to discover. Within it, you get to change your accent color, icon shape, icon back, font, and even choose a universal device theme. All this was already something you could do in the previous versions of OxygenOS, but the addition of the new icon shape styles and a redesigned theming section is well appreciated. Everything else remains the same for the most part, since Android 9 to Android 10 wasn't a big visual overhaul in the first place. However, you can most definitely notice the little tweaks OnePlus has made to make the UI feel a tad bit more uniform. Something you will notice right away is that most of the icons in the settings app have been redesigned to give off a new look and feel. The OnePlus launcher has also been updated with a new option to choose between a home screen without an app drawer or one with it. This change scared me a little since it deviates a lot from the principles of stock Android, but I guess added options aren't something to fret upon anyway. The OnePlus shelf has also been updated with a slightly better interface and more cards, although I couldn't find a way to replace it completely with the Google feed like you can on the newly launched OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. If you have a OnePlus 5T, you will be blessed with the new Fullscreen Gestures that you get with the newer OnePlus devices. I secretly hoped for this feature to hit the OnePlus 5 as well, but seems like they have no plans for adding the full screen gestures to this device anytime soon. Other than that, everything else that's new is just under the hood updates that Android 10 brings about, like quickly being able to scrub through any song you're playing right from the notifications as opposed to fully launching the app. Talking about performance, my OnePlus 5 seems to be just as quick as it was on day one, and I respect OnePlus for the great software support they have for all of their devices. Battery is something that will take a longer period of testing time for me to summarize, but I have high hopes for the same anyway. That's been it, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.